Changing your user role on Monday.com is a straightforward process that allows you to manage permissions and access levels effectively. Follow these steps to update your user role quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Monday.com account using your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to change user roles. Step 2. Access the admin section. Once logged in, navigate to the admin section of your account. You can find this option in the main menu, usually located on the left side of the screen. Step 3. Select users. In the admin section, look for the Users tab. Click on it to view the list of all users associated with your account. Step 4. Choose the user. Find the user whose role you want to change. You can use the search function if you have many users. Click on their name to open their profile settings. Step 5. Change the user role. In the user profile settings, look for the role drop-down menu. Select the new role you wish to assign to the user and save your changes. The user will now have the updated permissions based on their new role. By following these steps, you can easily change user roles on Monday.com to better suit your team's needs.